Upminster is one of the key stations for connectivity on our route. It's where trains from Ockenden and Grays join the line from Shoebury-Ness, and it's also the first place where passengers from the east can interchange with London Underground and London Overground services. The structure was built in the 1930s. It's a standard steel structure construction at the time. Up until this refurbishment there hadn't been a lot of maintenance, so the steelwork had started to corrode.
For us to do any of the work, because we are so close to the overhead line, which is 25,000 volts, that always has to be isolated for us to do any work within 9-foot proximity of it. So that's coordinating that between other projects and other works on the network to allow us the access to actually do it, get those working opportunities. So it's been quite a challenge. We've overplated on the actual span, which is sort of 12mm plate steel that's been fully fillet welded to the existing structure. It's going to make it a bit bulletproof for the future. We'll be there for a while. Now it's a 25-year life expectancy on the paint coatings, but the span will still last a good another 50 years.
So like with most steel structures, it's been in position for I think 60 years and it's just deteriorated. Things back then wasn't really designed with the amount of people, maybe foot traffic going over it these days. So just strengthening works and blasting paint to obviously give it another 25 years. So yeah, obviously with the bridge being over the rail, that's the main issue. Lifting it out and onto the transport wagon and then transporting it through the night under an abnormal load. It'll obviously remain here now for another at least 25 years, and then as long as the structures are maintained as they should do, it'll keep standing here for good use.
So the improvements we've made to this bridge allow our customers to move freely around the station to access the car park on this side of the station. It's one of our busiest stations. We're glad to have the bridge back to allow people to access all areas of the station. So this is part of a journey to make all of our stations as accessible as they can be to all of our customers.
So this refurbishment is a key part of c2c's investment in our station portfolio to deliver safe and functional assets for our passengers.